Hello friends, I am Dr Sadeep. Welcome all to our channel DEMOMEDICO-DIVINE Master. So today I have brought a very peculiar subject for you friends. So that is all will understand the disease and its prognosis in a different way. How homeopathy considers its prognosis and disease development in the human body. So today we will discuss about this topic friends. So usually in allopathic system they will consider disease prognosis as the guideline to treatment. So like that in homeopathy, how we consider this disease prognosis in our system. So how we consider the disease development and its prognosis in homeopathy. So friends, as you know, there are three basic miasms in our system. So one is sora, another is psychosis, another is syphilis. So another three miasms you have already known about this, like sora, syphilis, psychosis. After that there are another three to four miasms which are dormant in nature or which are not discussed so much on the in the homeopathy. So there are totally 7 miasms, and as you consider a classical homeopathic practitioner, there will be 7 miasms. So 7 miasms, if I go on talking about those miasms, we will be missing a present topic. So we will consider those whenever they come into in our discussions. So first of all, how the body is affected. Friends, so body is affected by the primary organs which are exposed to the environment or to the disease forces. So let it be an acute disease or a chronic disease, the first organs which are affected will be eyes, ears, nose, throat, mouth. So these are the entry points for any disease to penetrate inside. So these are the first layer of disease wherein the human being suffers. From this, the disease journey starts into the human beings, friends. As we know, the classification of human body cells into three types of cells. When the embryo is in the womb, there are three types of cells giving generation to the different organs, different tissues, different cell groups. That is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. These are the three germ layers in the embryo in which the organs, the tissues and all the body parts will be developed. So first layer, germ layer is ectoderm. So from ectoderm there are few tissues, few organs and few cell masses will be formed. These are the first affected tissues or the organs in the human body, friends. Next comes endoderm. So endoderm, whichever the organ, whichever the tissue, whichever the cell is originated from endoderm, this will be second affected. Then comes mesoderm germ layer. So this mesoderm germ layer giving rise to the tissues, organs and few of the cells. So this will be affected in the third layer of the disease, friends. So this is about ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm germ layers. So like this only the cure must also be possible, friends. So if you consider these ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm germ layers, which are the organs involved by this, which are the tissues evolved by this, which are the cells evolved by this, will be affected reciprocally. Like first affected will be ectoderm, then endoderm, then mesoderm. Like this only it comes in a reverse way, the cure, as in the Hering's law of cure, as we know and as we study, friends. More deeper organs will be cured first and more superficial organs cured at the last. How the diseases appear will be cured in a reverse order, as you know, the Hering's law of cure. According to the Hering's law only, nature works in our body to cure the organs, to cure the diseased human being. So first of all, these organs, what I told is eyes, ears, nose, tongue, throat. These are the first primary organs which will be affected in the human body. Then disease travels to the next higher level. So this is the way of traveling of disease, let it be acute or let it be chronic. So sometimes a sudden heart attack or a sudden main organ attack is possible, friends. So this is because of so many conditions involved within the person and the environment of the person. So if you consider in a chronic disease, the germ theory or the germ layer disease proliferation and germ layer cure of the disease is as observable in our prognosis, friends. So today we will talk about only one germ layer, that is ectoderm. So ectoderm germ layer give rise to our skin, our ENT, that is ear, nose, throat, and few of the internal ear parts. So these are the primary affected germ layer in our disease progression, friends. So this is about the disease progression. Today I have told about the germ layers, how the disease starts in the human being, and how the prognosis can be evaluated. So in the next session, friends, we will go further into the germ layers and we will understand the layer wise progression of the disease and cure of the disease. Thank you, friends. Take care. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.